In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert a blank page in Google Docs. If you're organizing a report, starting a new chapter, or just want a clean break between sections, adding a blank page the right way keeps your document tidy and consistent. Here's how to do it clearly and reliably. First, click in your document to place the blinking cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. Think of it like drawing a line in the sand. Everything after the cursor will move to the next page. A good habit is to click at the end of the paragraph or section you're finishing. This ensures the new page starts right after that content with no extra empty lines. With your cursor set, go to the top of the screen and click Insert in the menu bar. In the Insert menu, hover over Break. A small submenu opens. Choose Page Break. The moment you select it, Google Docs inserts a clean break, and the content after your cursor shifts to a brand new page. You'll see the new page appear immediately, and your cursor will be positioned at the top of it, ready for you to start typing. This works whether you're adding a page in the middle of a section or at the very end of your document. If you prefer shortcuts, you can do the exact same thing without touching the mouse. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Enter. On a Mac, press Command plus Enter. These shortcuts add a page break instantly, which is faster than scrolling through menus when you're editing a long document. A quick tip: using a page break is better than pressing Enter repeatedly to push text down. Extra line breaks can shift as you edit and cause formatting issues later, while a page break stays locked and keeps your layout dependable. If you insert a page by mistake, press undo or place your cursor just before the break and press backspace or delete once to remove it. Your page numbers, headers, and footers will continue automatically, so you won't have to rebuild them. One more thing to keep in mind: page break and section break are different. Page break simply starts a new page while keeping the same headers, footers, and margins. Section breaks are for more advanced layout changes, so make sure you choose page break for a simple blank page. That's it. Place the cursor where the new page should begin, then insert a page break from the insert menu or use the keyboard shortcut for your device. With this approach, your document stays clean, professional, and easy to navigate.